I bet you didn't hear me. Anyway, I'll repeat myself. This side is the Riu Republic, and next door is the Hard Rock. If you just look over, it's a barren wasteland. Except for those chairs right over here that they had dragged over. I guess they wanted to feel like they were part of something, because those aren't the Riu Republic chairs. They're the Hard Rock chairs. I'm not sure why the Hard Rock Resort Beach is this empty. I mean, later on in the week, I did see some people further down the beach in the water, but they got such a big stretch of beach that there's no crowding here at all. I mean, look at the sign. Well, the Hard Rock Resort is the last one. After that, it's just natural beach for miles and miles. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up.
Garbage everywhere.
Trip on this. Well, here's a map of the area. This is the Hard Rock, and basically this is untouched beach all the way to here, which is about 5.3 kilometers. Lots of beach.